So starting the process of doing the rear fender on the bike, and yeah, gonna see how it goes. Gonna try to do it without actually pulling the back wheel off, so wish me luck, hopefully with having some bike tools, and yeah, just hope it works. So have GoPro sitting right here. Don't know exactly how the footage is going to be, but starting at 4:10, it gets dark in 3 hours, so there should be plenty of time, I hope. But yeah, let's see how it goes without lifting the bike up. have it on, and yeah, didn't have to take the wheel off at all. Super happy about that. Didn't even have to lift it up, and got everything on. So yeah, essentially have a license plate. Made a license plate mount for where the reflector is. I actually used the reflector bracket and essentially made an L bracket so the tag sticks out horizontal. It will not have a light at the moment. I need to get one. I haven't had a chance to figure out exactly which light I want to get, but yeah, I think it looks good. I did cut, which you can see, the reflector mount that comes right here, and yeah, just didn't want that. But essentially it has been just about an hour and a half, and yeah, I got the kit and the rear turn signals with the integrated ones, the OEM, everything's OEM. And yeah, the full kit did not come with the washers and the little rubber grommets for right in here, where the mount goes in. So I had to take apart the stock one, pull those mounts off and put them in this one. But I'm very excited. Got the stock one off, I think, in like 25 minutes or something. This one would have gone on much more simple if I already had the other pieces and could just pull the stock one off and throw this one on. As well as this bracket does go on backwards, or it is directional. It doesn't say it anywhere. So I put it on, got everything on the bike to make sure that I had the wires for the taillights the correct side, which the red wires go on the right side, which on the video I maybe left, but anyhow, on the right side are the red wrapped ones, and on the left side are the just fully black ones. But yeah, got the wires correct, got a fender back in there, and realized the bracket was backwards, so luckily had some space to do that. This little dude has been a lifesaver right now. So it's a T30, and yeah, just a little ratchet guy. So, and you can flip the little lever and go backwards. So that is super helpful. I am going to see if I can get the front one done and potentially the front turn signals, and we'll ride up to Whole Foods to take a picture in the same exact spot that I did the first time introducing the bike, because at my house I don't have a good spot to just do comparisons. So yeah, I'm gonna essentially have this video for probably a day or two done before I get that picture, but I am going for that. So yeah, let's see what else we can do. So tried to do the front fender. Unfortunately, without taking the front wheel off, I cannot get the front fender off. Could maybe deflate the front tire and push it in and get to the bolts, but my friend who works at the Triumph dealer, who luckily put the order in for all this stuff, said that he has a front wheel lift, or front wheel jack, or lift, I guess, I don't know. But yeah, he has one. He's gonna let me go over his house and get the front end up, take the front wheel off, and put the front one on. And then I checked for the front turn signals, and they are the same length as the stock ones, which not super psyched about. I was looking to have the shorter ones, which also, for anyone thinking about ordering front turn signals for this bike, the medium ones are what's on the bike. So when you order the medium LED, you essentially get the same size. The longer ones or large ones are, I don't even know how long, they have to be longer, but apparently you can't get the short front LEDs in the US, which I'm gonna go search the interwebs and see if I can find them at any distributor and get them. But yeah, so Like the rear ones are shorter. And yeah, super excited about this. I may just make a video on the rear one for right now and do the front one and front turn signals at a later time. But yeah, we'll actually probably do that. So thank you guys for checking this video out. And yeah, thank you for just subscribing and watching the videos and coming along for now a motorcycle ride and build. So yeah, let's go.